SERV stock analysis next week. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. SERV Robotics is sitting at $8.50, 5.4% down for the day. Now, actually we're in a prime demand area. I say primed because it is primed. Like 2 out of 3 rules got met, and now all it really needs to happen is the price needs to give me a double break. It needs to show me that bullish momentum, so I don't just buy it on the bearish side and I'm stopped out. I mean, I'm telling you this because this is something that I've refined over 26,000 videos. Personally, it's something that's worked for me wonders, so I'm just sharing it with you. And all this pretty much means just a whack of accumulation, you know. So yeah, this is what I'm waiting for. If it gives me that goal, if it doesn't, I mean, all I'm using is a strategy that's previously given me thousands of correct predictions. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. I mean, there's nothing else that I would try and add here.